To change or modify data in a table, we use the update statement. So let's open the test database and show the data in the customer table by using the select statement like this. So we have 5 columns and 5 rows. And now if I want to update the address or add address to John Doe, I can use the update statement with where clause. If I don't use where clause, it will update the entire table. So let's see how to use the update statement. After update, we have to specify or write the table name, customer, and you have to write set, which field you want to set address. So we write a new address. Also, if I want to update the city name, I can do that as well. And the most important thing is to add the where clause. Otherwise, it will update the entire table, the address and city for all records in that table. So for this, I will use where clause to specify which rows I want to update. So I will use the ID as the indicator which rows I want to modify. So I will write where ID is equal 5. Then I will terminate the update statement with semicolon. So now let's run the query. I will select this and then click this, and now let me see the result. As you see, the address and city updated for the John Doe only, and the rest remain unchanged. Also, you can change it back to null. Null means empty, no space, no zero. It is only empty, so that's why we call it null value. So let me make it null. I will write update. This time I will write null and make it city equals to null, where ID equals to 5. Terminate the update statement with semicolon, run the query again, and then run the select query. As you see, the address and city now is empty and does not have any data in it. So this is update statement and how to use it.